Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preparing the system and permissions. You must be an administrator and make a registry backup. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt so changes apply system-wide. Next, stop the app that triggers JIT debugging and note its exact error message. This tells you whether the crash comes from net, native code, or a misconfigured debugger. Make sure Windows Modules Installer and NET runtime versions match the app requirements, because mismatches often cause the debugger prompt. Now you change the actual JIT handler entries. Open Regedit and navigate to the AE debug and NET framework debugging keys. Once there, either disable just-in-time debugging by removing the auto value or correct the debugger path to a valid installed debugger, such as VSDBG or WinDBG. Make sure to update both 32-bit and 64-bit hives if the app is mixed. After editing, run sfc/scano and restart the Windows Error Reporting Service to ensure handlers register correctly. Finally, reboot and reproduce the crash to verify the JIT prompt no longer appears or points to the intended debugger. If the problem persists, repair or reinstall the debugger package so the registry points to a valid executable. Mismatched paths are a common cause. If nothing changes, capture a crash dump with proc dump, then open it in WinDBG to inspect the stack and exception code. This gives you the why. One troubleshooting tip. Check permissions. Debugger exes must be accessible by system and your admin account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.